Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mazda CX-30 versus the Kia Sportage. We'll dive into a full comparison of these two popular compact SUVs, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. We'll explore everything from their driving dynamics and interior comfort to their technology features and overall value. Let's get started by looking at what each vehicle brings to the table. When it comes to performance, the Mazda CX-30 offers a standard 2.5-liter engine with 191 horsepower, or an optional turbocharged version delivering 250 horsepower. The Kia Sportage comes with a 2.5-liter engine producing 187 horsepower and also offers efficient hybrid powertrains. For fuel economy, the CX-30 base engine achieves up to 29 miles per gallon combined, while the Sportage's gasoline engine offers up to 28 miles per gallon combined. The CX-30 emphasizes a more athletic, engaging drive. Inside, the Kia Sportage boasts more cargo room, offering 39.6 cubic feet behind the rear seats compared to the Mazda CX-30 2 cubic feet. Passenger space is generous in the Sportage, especially rear legroom. Both SUVs come equipped with modern infotainment systems, typically featuring an 8-inch or larger touchscreen display and standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety is a priority, with both vehicles offering comprehensive driver assistance features, like blind spot monitoring and lane keeping assist. Considering value, the Mazda CX-30 typically starts around $26,690, offering a premium feel for its price. The Kia Sportage begins closer to $28,435, providing more space and a robust warranty. Speaking of warranties, Kia offers an impressive 10-year or 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which is significantly longer than Mazda's 5-year or 60,000 mile coverage. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize driving dynamics and upscale materials or maximum utility and a longer warranty. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.